Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to calculate ideal body weight. Come on, let's get started.
Today, I will be teaching you 3 ways on how to calculate ideal body weight. First one, using Tannhauser's method. Second, using Hamwi Formula. Third one, using body mass index. Please take note, while any of the above mentioned methods may be applied, health professionals have the option to use the method that is more practical for them.
For Tannhauser's method, the equation is height in centimeters minus 100. Now for example, an adult female who stands 5 feet 3 inches, we will first convert her height into centimeters. Let us use the following conversion factors. So 5 feet times 12 inches, because every foot is equivalent to 12 inches, that will give you 60 inches. Now, we will add the remaining 3 inches from the height. 60 plus 3 equals to 63 inches. And we will multiply it by 2.54 because every inch is equivalent to 2.54 centimeters. The height in centimeters is 160.02. This time, we will deduct from the height, and it is now converted to centimeter, the factor 100. So 160.02 centimeters minus 100. The desirable body weight is now 60.02 kilograms, or we can round that off to 60 kilograms. So to adjust the body frame for Filipinos, we will deduct additional 10% from the previously calculated desirable body weight. So 60.02 multiplied by 0.90 will give you 54.01 kilograms, or you can round that off to 54 kilograms. So therefore, a Filipino woman who stands 5 feet 3 inches, the desirable body weight is 54 kilograms. Now for the Hamwi formula, we will be using different equations for the male and the female. We will start first with the males. The desirable body weight is equivalent to 106 pounds for the first 5 feet. Then, add or deduct 6 pounds for every inch above or below 5 feet. For example, an adult male, 5 feet 3 inches tall, so the desirable body weight for the first 5 feet is 106 pounds. We will multiply 3 inches by 6 pounds, and that will give you 106 plus 18. The ideal body weight now is 124 pounds. If you want to convert the weight into kilograms, just divide it by 2.2. So that will give you 56.36 kilograms. Now we will calculate the ideal body weight of the females. The equation would be for the first 5 feet is 100 pounds, then add or deduct 5 pounds for every inch above or below 5 feet. Let's have an example. An adult female stands 4 feet 11 inches. So 100 pounds minus 1 inch multiplied by 5 pounds. Notice here that I deducted instead of add because the equation says deduct for every inch below 5 feet. Alright, now let's continue. So 100 pounds minus 5 pounds is 95. And again, if you want to convert the weight into kilograms, divide it by 2.2. So the weight in kilograms is 43.18. Also note that 10% can be added to adjust for larger body frame size, and 10% can be deducted to adjust for small body frame size. Before we proceed to the next method, I use the new food exchange list for meal planning from the Department of Science and Technology Food and Nutrition Research Institute as my reference. If you like my tutorial, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you have questions, suggestions, feel free to let me know in the comment section below. Thank you. Alright, we will now proceed to the calculation of ideal body weight using BMI. The equation is height in meters squared multiplied by 22. For example, an adult female who stands 5'1". Here we will convert again the height into meters using the following conversion factors. Let's start with 5 feet, multiply it by 12 because 1 foot is equivalent to 12 inches. That would total to 60 inches. Now we will add 1 inch from her height, which is 5'1". That would total to 61 inches. Now we will convert this to meters. We will multiply 61 inches by 0.0254 because 1 inch is equivalent to 0.0254 meters. The height in meters now is 1.549. But since the equation says height in meters squared, we have to square this. To square this, multiply the number by itself. So 1.549 meters multiplied by 1.549 meters equals to 2.399. Then you can now multiply it by the factor 22. So 2.399 times 22 equals to 52.778 or 53 kilograms. This is now the ideal body weight. Now to get the normal body weight range, multiply by the following. For the lower range, multiply the height in meters squared by 18.5. Why 18.5? Because the normal BMI is a BMI range of 18.5 to 24.9. Below 18.5 is considered underweight and above 24.9 is considered overweight. So 18.5 multiplied by 2.399 equals to 44.38 or 44.5 kilograms. Now to get the upper weight range, we will multiply the height in meters squared by 24.9. So 24.9 multiplied by 2.399 equals to 59.73 or 60 kilograms. So for a woman who stands 5 feet 1 inch tall, she should have an ideal body weight of 53 or at least maintain a body weight of 44.5 to 60 kilograms to lower the risk of diseases such as hypertension, diabetes mellitus, and other similar diseases. And that would be all for today. Thank you so much for listening.